I loved this concept of the design, and I was so bummed that things didn't go right. So bummed, in fact, that I'm trying it again. But I didn't want to do, I love the colors. Oh, I love these plum. But I didn't want to do the exact same thing. So I lightened it. Instead of having this dark, I have a light, this color, and then this color, but it didn't really get that dark. So you can see it is significantly lighter. Now, I did the heart in the bench a lighter color as well. Let's see if I can find the embed. Oh, I have one somewhere. It's too far for me to reach. But it's the light color. Now, part of why I lightened this was because I felt that this heart got a little lost. It didn't quite have that punch. So I'm hoping that this will pay off, and that it will still be a good choice. I'm changing things up a little bit. I'm just gonna forego the ombre. So there's that base. There's a slight ombre. You can't really see it too much, I think, in the video, but it is there. I'm just putting it in the base piece. So I'm just, again, I'm cutting my sides to create that ombre frame. I have a tutorial I already did on how to do this, so I won't go over all the specifics. But you can definitely go watch that. I'll link that to either at the end or in the description or wherever I remember. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cutting the sides to get the frame. And then I'll come back and make the soap, this time with some changes that hopefully will make this easier and make it go better, and yeah, we'll see. Okay, I am not doing an ombre this time. This is just a light gray. The ombre was, I love the look of it, but it wasn't as effective as I think the time it took to do it was. So I am just doing kind of a gray. Then I will still do the mica line to kind of differentiate. Also, took forever for it to set up last time, because obviously if you're doing an ombre, you need it to go slow so you can get the ombre done. So this time I stick blended it a whole bunch. So I'm hoping that this should set up fairly quick and allow me to then proceed. I am going to, so I'm using titanium dioxide and silver gray from Just Pigments for my colors, monochrome colors. I am going to go ahead and do my mica line while this sets up. see if I did better this time than the first time. I know there were some difficulties. That was round 1, as a reminder. And that's much better. I definitely like the darker frame. No questions. Though I think so part of this batch has the bigger light lamppost and part has the smaller. I'm not sure which I like better. I kind of think I like the smaller, but that's okay. I miss that this doesn't have that ombre. Here's the one with the smaller. So the chair got pushed down a little too much. And this, I knew when I was pouring it, it was kind of getting pushed sideways. But because this is 2 pieces, I didn't want to pull too much. And as a result, my lamppost is a tad wonky on that one. Oop, I bent my chair leg. This definitely had its challenges. Getting that tree in. Oh my gosh, I was having issues with the tree too. But this one is better than the first one. Yep. I love the plum color. I don't know, there's just something about it. I do wish I'd gotten this one right on the first try, because this dark one just speaks to me. But that being said, this one's not awful. And the ombre is actually really nice. I was afraid when I was pouring it. But yeah, I have a park scene. It's not perfect. Definitely not 100% what I was going for, but I'll take it.